Well, as you can tell, the ADXB exchange has been a what's it called today? It's just not been good today, apparently. As you can tell, it's because of the size. It's pretty big anyway. So, as you can see, it's a bit of a nightmare today, apparently. But obviously, it came out big rain today, but it just came out bigger size today, apparently. So the registration was G-EGLA, just saying anyway. There he is. As you can see, that was the Cessna F.172M Skyhawk, just saying, come over anyway. Which you can see, that just did a low pass anyway. So as you can see, to start with, he was rammed just to about, probably so I say nearly, probably just to about 11,000 feet, I believe anyway, which occasionally just came here quite low anyway. And as you can see, it then just dropped down probably just to about 10,050 feet, I believe anyway. But as you can tell, it just came quite low anyway. And this is the one that's operated by the Cornwall Flying Club anyway. So yeah, but technically this is the one that's operated by the Cornwall Flying Club anyway. So yeah, this is one that's operated by the Cornwall Bottoming Flying Club. It says anyway. Don't know why the experience bit like that today though. And just you can see that just go back to the rate a minute. I don't know why ADXB is coming like that today though, which is a bit of annoying. So just you can see that took off from its base at Bodmin Airfield anyway. As you can see, that took off from its base at Bodmin Airfield just around, probably just around 25 past 12, I believe anyway, which that's where it took off from anyway. So it literally just took off from its base at Bodmin Airfield just around 25 past 12 anyway, from its base anyway. So yeah, well, obviously it has been a while since we only saw the G-EGLA Cessna from Bodmin Airfield anyway, but this has been a while since we've only saw that plane anyway. It has been a while ago since we've only saw the Cornwall Flying Club anyway, from its base to Bodmin Airfield anyway. Don't know why ADXB is coming like that today though, which is a bit of annoying. Probably because they've changed the sizes, I think anyway, but I don't know why. This is very annoying though, I don't know why it did that. Doesn't even show anything on there now anyway. Yeah, so it just doesn't show anything on there. Oh well. The Go Flight Radar should be on there though. Flight Radar 24's got a better tracking than ADXB, because ADXB is a bit of a bugger today apparently. Okay, so yep, hopefully that should be heading back to its base at Bodmin Airfield very soon hopefully. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.